Today we are going to solve an in-text question from Unit 3 of NCERT text. We have to calculate the EMF of the cell for the reaction Ni plus 2Ag plus, it gives Ni2 plus 2Ag. The standard cell potential given is 1.05 volt. To solve this, we have to use the Nernst equation, that is E cell is equal to E naught cell minus 0.059 upon N, where N is the number of electrons, into log of concentration of product upon concentration of reactant. Now let's see how to find the value of N. To calculate the number of electrons, we have to find out which is going to represent the oxidation half and which one in that reaction is going to represent the reduction half. So when we see nickel, we see that Ni becomes Ni2 plus with the loss of 2 electrons. In the same way, Ag plus gains 1 electron and it becomes Ag. That is this. Now we have to make sure that the number of electrons for the cell reaction remains same. So here we have to multiply the reduction half with 2 and then we get 2Ag plus 2 electrons, which gives 2Ag. Sorry, that's Ag plus here. And thus the number of electrons come out to be N equal to 2. The standard cell potential, that is E naught cell, given is 1.05 volt. And the number of electrons we found out that it is 2. And here the concentration of product is Ni2 plus and Ag. In the same way, upon the concentration of reactant is concentration of nickel upon concentration of Ag. Now as we know that Ag has got the coefficient 2 and Ag plus also has got the coefficient 2, so we write here raised to 2 for their respective concentrations. In the given reaction, we see that the concentration of Ni2 plus is given as 0.160 molar and the concentration of Ag plus is given as 0.002 molar. Upon removing the decimal, we get 160 upon 1000, and upon removing the decimal of 0.002, we get it as 2 upon 1000, and after further solving it, we get the answer as 4 into 10 raised to 4. So after solving this part, we got the answer as 4 into 10 raised to 4, which we write over here. And we further write it as log of 4. Since it is into here, we write plus log of 10 raised to 4. And we know that log of 10 raised to 4, the answer is going to be 4. Now let's find the value for log 4. We know that to find the value of log 4, first we need to find the characteristic. And to find the value of characteristic, the formula which we use is N minus 1. Now N represents the number here. So how many numbers are here? Just one number. So we write 1 minus 1, which comes out to be equal to 0. So that is the 0 which we write here as the characteristic. Now we need to find the mantissa. So let's find it using the log table. To find log 4, we have to see it in the log table under 40. And since there is no number after 4, we have to see it under 0 in the log table. The value which we get is 6021. So the mantissa we write as 0.6021. So the value for log 4 we have got it as 0.6021. So after adding the numbers within the bracket, we get it as 4.6021. And on multiplying 0.03 with 4.6021, we get, as I had told you, we must remove the decimals while multiplying. That makes the multiplication easy. After multiplying, we need to see how many numbers are there after the decimal. So 1, 2 and here 4. So it becomes total 6. So we have to make sure that in our answer also after the decimal there are 6 numbers. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we write it here as 0.138063. So here we write 0.138, max 3 decimals we are taking, or further to subtract it you can still round it off as 0.14, and finally we get the answer as 0.91 volt, which is the cell potential or the EMF.